To the AI for Us 2 channel, your go-to source for the latest news on XRP, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals. Our news content is exclusively generated by AI, ensuring real-time updates that are uploaded between 1 to 4 times a day. With AI-generated news, you can trust in its impartiality and objectivity, as it remains unaffected by personal biases, emotions, or external pressures like sponsored advertising that can influence content creators. By relying on AI-generated news, you can access a higher volume of XRP information in a shorter amount of time. With my objective and impartial reporting, you will be better able to form opinions based on facts. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to the channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out our recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Before diving into the news, we would like to thank CK, Olsenman, Xrp, and Patrick Peters, our most recent subscribers to the channel. Guys, your support means the world to me, and I'm thrilled to have you as part of our community. Xrp New News Update. The Senate Subcommittee session on the fiscal year 2024 budget of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, witnessed a significant testimony from SEC Chairman Gary Gensler. The focal point of his address was the pressing concerns surrounding the unregulated nature of the cryptocurrency sector, and he emphasized the need for additional resources to tackle abuses in emerging financial markets. Gensler raised alarm over the risks faced by investors who engage in speculative investments within the crypto space, often referred to as the Wild West, due to its lack of proper regulations. He stressed the urgent necessity for regulatory oversight to safeguard investors' hard-earned assets from potential harm. A primary worry of Gensler's is the astonishing growth and proliferation of tokens, with estimates ranging from 15,000 to 20,000 in number. The SEC chairman pointed out that many of these tokens could be considered investment contracts, falling beyond the jurisdiction of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, where Gensler had previously served as a regulatory chair. He advocated for evaluating these tokens under the framework of securities laws, which have been established since the 1930s. Although Gensler did not mention specific tokens that are outside the SEC's jurisdiction, he highlighted that the majority of them exhibit characteristics resembling investment contracts. In contrast, he acknowledged that Bitcoin incorporates anti-fraud features. Addressing the issue of transparency in blockchain technology, Gensler expressed his concern that American investors are not adequately informed about the workings of the technology. While recognizing its potential utility, he emphasized the importance of ensuring transparency measures to protect the interests of investors. Regarding a question about the SEC's actions towards FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried, Gensler declined to disclose specific enforcement-related details. However, he emphasized that the crypto space, as a whole, operates under models that would not comply with traditional securities regulations. As the session progressed, ongoing developments and discussions in the Senate subcommittee on the SEC budget were continuously updated to keep stakeholders informed. Xrp New News Update. Despite the broader consolidation trend in the crypto market, Ripple's XRP has shown significant strength, surging by 8% in the past 24 hours. Currently valued at over 80 cents, XRP's market capitalization stands at an impressive $41.68 billion, making it the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap. This remarkable performance follows a pivotal legal ruling last week by Judge Annalisa Torres, who declared that XRP is not an investment contract or security. The ruling sparked optimism among investors, leading to increased buying pressure and driving several altcoins, including XRP, to reach their highest values of the year. In response to the SEC ruling, XRP's trading volumes surged, even surpassing those of Bitcoin in the past week. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn, who currently presides over the case, has taken a proactive approach towards resolution, ordering the US SEC and Ripple to engage in a settlement conference. Both parties are expected to coordinate mutually agreeable dates for these conferences, with consideration given to the court's congested schedule. Judge Netburn discourages any expectations of last-minute accommodations or deadline extensions, urging prompt action. Following the positive court ruling, Ripple is now exploring the application of its on-demand liquidity, ODL, solution for instant cross-border settlements using XRP within the United States. Ripple's general counsel, Stuart Aldersty, expressed optimism that American banks might adopt the ODL solution, leading to potential tangible business ventures. This quarter should spark numerous discussions with US customers, and we anticipate some of these conversations will transition into tangible business ventures, Xrp affirmed. Xrp New News Update. Despite the current price consolidation in the broader crypto market, a well-known chartist named Xrp has made an ambitious forecast for Ripple's XRP. He predicts a possible 777% upsurge in XRP's value within the next 7 days, following the significant pump triggered by Judge Annalisa Torres' ruling in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit. However, Xrp urges investors to take this analysis with caution, as such predictions can be speculative. In his analysis, Xrp compared XRP's current price movements with its past performance in 2017 on a weekly timeframe. He pointed out that historical data showed XRP experienced a 106% appreciation in March 2017 after a bearish phase, and later rallied by 777.06% after overcoming the bearish pressure. Drawing parallels with the current situation, Xrp highlighted that XRP had already spiked by 99.26% on July 13 following the SEC case ruling, surging from $0.4710 to $0.9385 before facing resistance. Based on the similarities with the 2017 pattern, Xrp forecasted that XRP could potentially rally by 777% again, potentially taking its price to $6.57 within the next 7 days. While the prospect of such a significant surge is enticing, it's essential for investors to exercise caution and not take this as direct investment advice. Market fluctuations are common, and cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risks. Xrp New News Update. As the digital revolution continues to reshape the banking industry, outdated infrastructures are gradually being replaced by more efficient systems, with blockchain and cryptocurrencies leading the way. Financial decision-makers worldwide are increasingly recognizing the potential of these digital assets to transform traditional payment channels. In today's digital-first banking era, user-friendly interfaces and improved user experiences are gaining popularity. However, the fundamental infrastructures handling fund transfers between accounts are in dire need of modernization. According to Ripple's 2023 New Value Report, approximately 44% of respondents believe that payments will be the most prominent domain for crypto adoption, with nearly half citing cross-border payments as the top use case for cryptocurrencies. Traditional cross-border payments often rely on outdated rails, resulting in delays and inefficiencies. In contrast, blockchain and digital asset technologies offer a seamless infrastructure, enabling instantaneous transfers with lower fees and full transaction transparency. Despite the rapid advancement of digital banking apps and services, many of these platforms still rely on traditional payment rails established decades ago. The complexity of these outdated systems, combined with the need for intermediaries to verify transactions, leads to inefficiencies and delays. Ripple's head of payments products, Brendan Berry, aptly explains that some innovations in the payment space can mask the limitations of the underlying infrastructure, giving consumers a false sense of improvement. However, the landscape is poised for a significant change, with the radical capabilities of crypto and blockchain technology. Crypto can facilitate interoperability between different chains or tokens, significantly reducing the time and cost associated with traditional cross-border transactions. By using tokenized assets, funds can move quickly without the costs typically incurred when financial institutions act as intermediaries. A shift is on the horizon, as 80% of global finance leaders anticipate integrating crypto into their operations within the next 3 years. Blockchain, by addressing the limitations of conventional payment systems, is paving the way for a future of seamless global payments. For those interested in a more in-depth understanding of why global financial and payments leaders believe in the power of blockchain and how financial institutions, regulators, and businesses can collaborate to make this new payments landscape a reality, the New Value Report by Ripple is available for download. Xrp New News Updates. Following the verdict in the SEC vs. Ripple case, XRP has gained momentum, experiencing an 8% surge in the last 24 hours, and its market capitalization has reached an impressive $41.68 billion. The case had been dragging on for 3 years, and the recent ruling has provided a sense of relief for many in the crypto community. According to prominent crypto influencer Cameron Foos, who who has a successful track record in investing, there is still potential value in XRP's price, even after the initial pump and leveling off period. Foos suggests that buying the dip at a price between 55 cents and 71 cents could be an ideal position. He remains bullish on XRP, expecting short-term gains to reach around $1.50, medium-term gains to trade between $2 and $5, and long-term gains that could breach $10. While XRP looks promising for the future, it may also be a good time to consider diversifying one's position by exploring low-cap projects with pumping potential. Two such projects are Wall Street Memes, WSM, and BTC20, both of which have unique features and growing communities that could potentially offer attractive investment opportunities. Wall Street Memes, WSM, is gaining traction due to its strong community support, with over 1 million followers across various social media platforms. The project originated from an online brand that gained prominence after a group of Reddit investors took on Wall Street by buying GameStop stock, causing a stir in the financial world. BTC20 is an interesting project that replicates Bitcoin's early days, offering tokens at the same price as Bitcoin back in April 2011. It employs a proof-of-stake system, making it environmentally friendly compared to Bitcoin's mining process, and also offers staking opportunities for earning passive income. In conclusion, XRP's legal victory has injected optimism into the crypto market, and experts like Cameron Foos remain positive about its future potential. Alongside XRP, low-cap projects like WSM and BTC20 present intriguing investment options for those looking to diversify their portfolios. As always, it is essential to conduct thorough research and exercise caution when investing in the crypto market. AI Precious Metals New News Update. The gold market is regaining its shine as the Federal Reserve approaches the end of its current tightening cycle. According to Ryan McIntyre, managing partner at Sprott Inc., while physical gold remains an important strategic allocation in investment portfolios, the equity side of the gold market has been overlooked, leading to a significant imbalance in valuations. McIntyre points out that sentiment in the mining sector has been negative, making it challenging for companies to raise funds. However, he believes this low point presents an opportunity for investors as it won't take much to improve sentiment. Mining companies have also strengthened their balance sheets, positioning themselves to take advantage of higher gold prices. Investors interested in the gold mining sector can become more tactical by looking at gold equities. McIntyre suggests considering senior producers with solid production and consistent cash flow, as well as streaming and royalty companies that offer upside exposure to precious metals without the production costs of traditional miners. While there may be near-term volatility, McIntyre advises investors to focus on the long-term trends. He believes gold prices will be higher in the future, and owning some gold makes sense amid concerns about growing deficits in Western nations. McIntyre highlights central bank gold demand as a sign that governments are taking steps to reduce their exposure to potential global sovereign debt crises. Gold's independent nature from other assets makes it an attractive strategic position in investment portfolios. Regarding the Federal Reserve's monetary policy, McIntyre suggests that the tightening cycle is close to terminal rates due to massive debt levels and falling money supply. However, the timing of a potential sovereign debt issue remains uncertain. In summary, while physical gold remains a strategic allocation, the equity side of the gold market offers opportunities for investors, and owning gold can provide a safe haven amid concerns about government deficits and potential debt crises. This completes the Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.